In today's video, we're reviewing Evernote, one of the most well-known note-taking apps that has evolved significantly over the years. Evernote allows users to take notes, attach images, save web content, and even record audio, all in one place. Its interface is clean and intuitive, with powerful search tools and tags to keep everything organized. One of Evernote's strongest features is its cross-device syncing, making it easy to access your notes anywhere. However, recent changes have stirred mixed reactions. The free plan now limits users to only 50 notes and one notebook, which many consider too restrictive. Premium plans offer more functionality, but the pricing is higher than many competitors like Notion or OneNote. On the upside, Evernote has introduced AI features like smart cleanup tools, making note organization more efficient. In summary, Evernote is still a solid option for those who need a reliable and feature-rich note-taking app, but it's important to evaluate whether the value justifies the cost based on your personal or professional needs.